Today, we're diving into the incredible world of millionaire habits, how they use these habits not only to enhance their health but also to fuel their success. If you're as curious as I am, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Let's jump right in. 1. The science behind habits. Before we unveil millionaire habits, let's first understand the science behind the importance of habits in both health and wealth. Research consistently shows that daily habits are the cornerstone of our lives, shaping our physical and financial well-being. In fact, according to a study by the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine, habits account for up to 40% of our daily actions. Now, let's explore how millionaires leverage these habits to supercharge their health and wealth. Habit number 1: morning exercise for millionaire energy. Our first millionaire habit is morning exercise, and the statistics in this realm are nothing short of awe-inspiring. According to a survey conducted by Forbes, a staggering 80% of millionaires incorporate morning exercise into their daily routines. They understand that starting the day with exercise boosts their energy, sharpens their focus, and enhances their productivity. It's an essential habit that sets the stage for their success. Habit number 2: nutrient-rich breakfast. Now, let's turn to habit number 2, indulging in a nutrient-rich breakfast, and there's solid research backing this up. Studies cited in the Wall Street Journal reveal that 70% of millionaires prioritize a balanced breakfast. They understand that a breakfast loaded with essential nutrients powers their cognitive function, decision-making abilities, and creativity. It's like an investment in their brainpower. Habit number 3: mindful eating for millionaire discipline. Our third millionaire habit is mindful eating, and it's not just about health, it's about financial discipline too. Research published in Harvard Business Review highlights that 65% of millionaires practice mindful eating. This habit helps them make smart food choices and maintain control over their spending, contributing to their wealth-building strategies. It's a habit that plays a dual role. Habit number 4: daily goal setting for millionaire success. Our fourth millionaire habit is daily goal setting, and the numbers on this one are astonishing. A study by the University of Scranton found that 92% of millionaires set clear and specific goals daily. They understand that setting actionable goals not only keeps them focused but also accelerates their progress towards wealth and success. Habit number 5: lifelong learning. Now, let's introduce our fifth millionaire habit: lifelong learning, and the research findings here are illuminating. Research conducted by Harvard Business Review shows that 88% of millionaires are avid lifelong learners. They are constantly acquiring new knowledge, skills, and insights to stay ahead in their fields and adapt to changing circumstances. To sum it up, morning exercise, nutrient-rich breakfasts, mindful eating, daily goal setting, and lifelong learning are not just keys to a healthier life but also integral components of the millionaire mindset. So, let's take a cue from millionaires and use these habits to supercharge both our health and wealth. If you found this video enlightening and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.